Hello, it is Stephanie Grams, the Sewpreneur, and I do enjoy trying out filters. Like, who doesn't, right? Anyways, this is an important message, all jokes aside. Do you get tired of people asking you how you create the items that you sell? Whether it's t-shirts, bags, purses, baby clothes, memory bears. Well, don't be snarky with them in your answer. You could just not reply to them at all. That way you don't offend or detour any type of potential buyer or customer who's reading the comments. Or you can be smart and monetize on that question. So that is something that I did several years ago when I opened the memory bear business that I do have, and I sew keepsakes and sentimental items and so forth. And I would get questions all the time on how I did certain techniques. So I got smart. I created online classes and journals, and I also wrote a book. So if this is something that you're interested in learning, definitely go to sewpreneur.com or stephaniegrams.com. Doesn't matter. Sign up for the newsletter that I have. And you can either learn how to start your own memory bear and keepsake sewing business, or you can, or both, you can learn how to monetize on the questions that are being asked by your followers who admire your talent, your skills, and your work. There's no reason to be upset or offended when they ask you how you do something, and you are not obligated to tell them either. But why not monetize on those questions? You know what I'm saying? All right, have a happy Friday. #Friday Sews.